In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store not opening on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can do this on any Android phone or Samsung as well. And let's say I'm using Play Store and I try and open it and it's not opening. That could be really frustrating, especially if I'm trying to update any applications or download something. So all I want to do is go to my settings application, which is going to look like this. But if I can't find it, the easiest thing to do on your Android device is swipe down on the top right, and you're going to see that settings wheel cog icon on the top right again. So just click on that from your control panel. Then I just want to go ahead and find the apps section. So it's going to be quite down. And right now for me, it's under device care. So just go ahead and find apps. Now from here, I want to find Google Play Store. But instead of having instead of scrolling down and searching through my 155 apps, which you might have more than me, go to the top right and click the search icon and then type in Play Store like so. And then you're going to find Google Play Store. So click on it. Then the first thing you want to do is force stop on the very bottom, then scroll down, then go to storage, which is under battery, and then clear the cache. Now, when you try and open up Google Play Store, it's going to work properly, and it's as simple as that.